Isabel Rovian T. Morales with an average of 95%, qualified as with high honors.
Ako ang na una tanga ako.
Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog.
Jaguar is Gmail at exfoliating cream.
Ganda naman lipstick ko. It's natural. Bell, bell. Baka no. Ay, ayusin. Ade.
Students, we pray that you will give us direction, purpose, and perseverance as we enter the next phase of our lives. Give us clearness of mind to move forward into the plans and purposes that you have for us. Let us call on Ms. Isabel Rovian T. Morales. Let's give her a round of applause.
On behalf of the graduating class of 2025, I, Isabel Rovian T. Morales, extend a warm welcome to all of you to this momentous occasion, our grade 6 graduation ceremony. Today, we gather here to celebrate a significant milestone in our lives, a culmination of years of learning, growth, and camaraderie. So let us celebrate this special day with joy and gratitude as we move forward to the exciting future that awaits us. Welcome to our graduation ceremony. May God bless us all.
Academy Incorporated has satisfactorily completed the requirements set under the new basic elementary school curriculum. And may I request that they may be proclaimed graduates this school year 2024-2025 and be awarded their certificate of graduation.
In a short while, you will be receiving your diploma. Congratulations to you and to your proud parents.
Isabel Rovian T. Morales with an average of 95%, qualified as with high honors.
Best in Filipino, Best in Science, Best in MAPE, Best in ESP, a Social Cultural Awardee, and a Campus Athlete Awardee. A recipient of Athletic Award.
All we need is courage to continue and inspiration to move forward.
At least I can say now that my life can be contracted in 3 minutes. I've been living or I've been in existence for the last 27 years, and at least I can say that my life can be simplified in 3 minutes. Thank you very much for the introduction.
Aloha class of 2025, you are enjoying the privilege to have earned your primary education from a Catholic and private educational institution. That alone speaks much of who you are. But that privilege is not a badge to look down on others. So first things first, congratulations, Aloha class of 2025. You have just added another feather to your cap, a blue feather that embodies the Alovian spirit for quality Christian education. Finally, as Catholic school graduates, be the light that this world needs. Be examples of Christ. Agyaman, maraming salamat po. May we all have a good day and congratulations.
As we embark on this new chapter, we carry with us the lessons we have learned, the memories we have made, and the gratitude we hold. For all who have helped us along the way, let us strive to make a positive impact on the world, to continue learning and growing, and to carry the values and principles. We are truly honored to have you. Congratulations to the class of 2025. May your future be filled with success, happiness, and fulfillment. and we will make you proud as we continue to reach our dreams. Maraming salamat po at mabuhay ang ating paaralan.